AI and human teachers, it's clear that they both bring something unique to the table. AI excels in offering personalized learning and instant feedback, while human teachers excel in providing inspiration, fostering creativity, and offering human connection. However, they also share a common goal: to educate and develop design students. As we can see, both AI and human teachers have unique strengths in educating design students. Now that we have compared the roles of AI and human teachers in design education, what does the future look like? Let's revisit the key points we've discussed. We've explored the capabilities of AI in design education, such as its ability to provide personalized learning experiences and its potential for automating administrative tasks. On the other hand, we've also recognized the unique strengths of human teachers. Their emotional intelligence, creativity, and ability to inspire and motivate students are aspects that currently AI cannot replicate. So what happens when we combine the strengths of AI and human teachers? The potential is enormous. Imagine a classroom where AI takes care of administrative tasks, freeing up time for teachers to focus on nurturing students' creativity and critical thinking. Picture a learning environment where AI provides personalized learning resources, but it's the human teacher who guides students, offering them emotional support and inspiration. Now, to address the burning question, will AI replace design teachers? The answer is nuanced. While AI can augment design education, it's unlikely to replace human teachers entirely. Why? Because design is fundamentally a human-centric discipline. It thrives on empathy, creativity, and human connection, elements that are difficult for machines to master. While the future of AI in design education is full of possibilities, it is clear that human teachers will continue to play an indispensable role. The blend of AI and human intelligence may pave the way for an enhanced learning experience in design education. Remember, technology is a tool, not a teacher.